The urogenital system includes the urinary organs and the genitals. They are closely related anatomically and functionally. Let's start with the urinary system. It performs three main functions: elimination of metabolic products from body fluids, release of these waste products into the environment, regulation of the volume and concentration of dissolved substances in the blood.
Watch more videos in the Easy Anatomy app. With Easy Anatomy, you can learn much easier and faster. We provide a comprehensive video library, related PDF notes, and atlas sections with engaging flashcards. Download Easy Anatomy from the link in the description.
This system includes the following organs: the kidneys, ureters, the urinary bladder, the urethra. Let us briefly examine the male and female genitalia. The genital system of men and women differs significantly in structure, but at the stage of the embryo, the Anlage of these organs is the same in both sexes. During the development of the embryo, the formation of male organs occurs, while the development of female rudiments stops, or vice versa, depending on the sex. Male genitalia are divided into external and internal. The external genitals include the penis, the male urethra, the scrotum. The internal genitals include the following: the testis, the epididymides, and the ductus deferens, and accessory sex glands, seminal vesicles, the prostate, and bulbourethral glands. The male genital system has the following functions: generative, generation of male germ cells called spermatozoa; endocrine, synthesis of male sex hormones; hormonal regulation of the reproductive function; ejaculatory, the delivery of seminal fluid to the female genital tract. Female genitalia are also divided into internal and external based on their localization. The internal genitals include ovaries, the uterus, uterine tubes, and the vagina. The external genitals include the mons pubis, the labia majora, the labia minora, greater vestibular glands, lesser vestibular glands, the bulb of the vestibule, the clitoris, the hymen, and the mammary gland. The female genital system has the following functions: generative, generation of female germ cells; endocrine, synthesis of female sex hormones; hormonal regulation of the reproductive function; and childbearing. The detailed structure of each of the organs of the urogenital system is analyzed in the corresponding videos and notes.